Today we're answering a question that no one has asked. Can you make a burger in the air fryer and is it actually worth it? Okay, to give this a try today we're going to use a pre-made hamburger patty, a brioche bun, some Bega burger sliced cheese, the cheap plastic nasty stuff, a couple of slices of bacon and some butter. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and just cut this brioche bun in half. Going to preheat this for 3 minutes at 190 degrees. Now we're going to go ahead and add our burger patty and our bacon. Chuck that back in at 190 and total cook time is going to be 10 minutes, but we're just going to give it 5 minutes first and flip it halfway through. Alright, we're just going to flip this one over. Our bacon's just about ready, but I want to give it another couple of minutes. I'm going to pop 5 minutes on here at 190 again, but I'm probably going to check the bacon midway through. Okay, that bacon's looking good. I'm going to pull that out and finish off the cooking. Okay, we've got about a minute left. I just want to make sure that this is warm enough before we put our cheese on. Yeah, it's plenty warm enough. So we're going to go ahead and pop our cheese on. Now the idea with this is we kind of want to let it melt a little bit, otherwise the fans will blow it around. So don't start it right away. I'll leave it just a jar open to let it start melting. And let's finish this last minute. Okay, I probably didn't leave it long enough. Unfortunately, the cheese has blown. It has actually, as you can see, it has melted a lot. Exactly what we're going for. Now we're going to go ahead and put our buns in. I'm going to give these guys 2 minutes at 180. Okay, these are nice and toasted. So all that's left to do is to take some of that butter that I left out earlier, apply that to the bun. Go ahead and pop our burger meat on. Alright, so I guess it's time to give this a go. It came out well. Well, it looks like it came out well. We'll see how it goes. Yeah, look, it's not bad. It is missing that char that you normally get when you do it with a pan or a barbecue. I do prefer the pan and barbecue, but if you're in a bind and want to do this really quickly, easy to clean up, just chuck it in the air fryer and follow the instructions I gave you. All right, let me know if you give this a go. Thanks.